Hi everyone, the Penguin Chef here. Today we're going to make a delicious pasta with white wine sauce. So to start with, I have 1 pound to 1.25 pounds of mild Italian sausage, which I've rolled into balls, and we're just going to brown this up. Now like I said, this is 1 pound to 1.25 pounds. It all really depends. You can buy it in a flat where it's already loose, or you can buy it in links. It's about 6 to 7 links. We're cooking this over medium heat. Now I'm not using any oil or anything. Sort of keep them turning and try to keep them separating so they don't stick together. No clumps. So once the outsides are pretty well browned up, we're just going to add in a couple of tablespoons of white wine. Turn the heat down to low, put the lid on, and we're going to let those finish cooking. Coming along nicely. Every once in a while, you give them a little turnaround. Now remember, the done temperature for any ground meat is 165 degrees, and sausage is no different. These are looking good at 165 degrees. We're going to add in a 12-ounce package of frozen spinach, which I've thawed and drained very well. Turn the heat back up just a little. Stir that around. Now this just takes a minute or so, not very long at all. Just really warming the spinach up and cooking off any of that excess liquid. So now that that's done, we're going to make our sauce. I got my pot here over medium heat. I'm going to add in about 1/2 cup of olive oil. And to that I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Let that go for just about a minute. Once your garlic starts to turn golden, we're going to add in 1 stick of unsalted butter, melted, 1 cup of white wine. I'm using a Sauvignon Blanc, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. And this only needs to simmer for a minute or so. So now that that's done, we put the heat down to low and we're going to put all this together. I'm going to start with 1 pound of noodles that I made in advance. You can use any small noodles you like. I like shells. And then comes our sausage and spinach. I like to stir it up until I see a little bit of green from the spinach on every single noodle, if possible. Last thing we're going to add, 1 cup of fresh shredded Parmesan cheese. I'm going to mix that up until the cheese melts, and it's actually going to thicken up that sauce real nicely. All right, there we have it, our pasta with white wine sauce with Italian sausage and spinach. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the channel for some more great recipes. Until next time.